Hello, friends. Today we will discuss the impressive records of sugar beet yields. Farmers from all over the world have achieved incredible results thanks to modern agricultural technologies, the use of quality hybrids and hard work. Let's find out about these records, look at the places, farmers, hybrids used, and the yields themselves. In 2021, German farmer Hans Emler from the Saxony region set a new world record for sugar beet yields. Using the SES Vanderhav SVP 17 hybrid, he achieved an impressive 130 tons per hectare. The secret of his success was optimal plant nutrition, precise irrigation, and the use of modern protection technologies. In 2019, American farmer John Smith from Minnesota achieved a sugar beet yield of 125 tons per hectare. He used the Crystal HSD 369 hybrid, which is characterized by high disease resistance and high sugar content. John actively used advanced methods of soil cultivation and plant nutrition. In 2020, French farmer Jean-Pierre Lefebvre from the Normandy region set a new record for sugar beet yields, reaching 120 tons per hectare. He used the KWS Enermax hybrid, which is characterized by high yields and adaptability to different growing conditions. Jean-Pierre introduced innovative methods of crop management and optimal plant nutrition. In 2018, British farmer Thomas Wood from Lincolnshire achieved a sugar beet yield of 118 tons per hectare. He used the Maribo MA 123 hybrid, which is characterized by high yields and resistance to adverse conditions. Thanks to modern methods of tillage and nutrition, Thomas was able to achieve such high results. In 2022, Polish farmer Adam Kowalski from the Warmia and Missouri region harvested a record sugar beet crop, reaching 115 tons per hectare. He used the Struby KS23 hybrid, which is characterized by high yields and adaptability to local conditions. Thanks to the optimal use of water resources and modern crop management methods, Adam was able to achieve such results. These examples demonstrate that high sugar beet yields are possible thanks to modern agricultural technologies, careful maintenance, and the use of high-quality seeds. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe to our channel and leave your comments. Tell us what secrets of high yields you use on your fields. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon on our channel.